Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Bose QC Ultra off and disconnecting Bluetooth so you don't accidentally activate touch controls. Once done, remove silicone tips and place them in a bowl of warm, soapy water to loosen oils and debris. This saves time and protects internal components. While they soak, use a soft lint-free cloth, slightly dampened with 70% isopropyl, to wipe external surfaces and the stems. Make sure to work gently. Pressure can push grime into speaker meshes. Now you tackle the driver meshes and the soaked tips. First, brush the speaker mesh with a soft, dry brush to lift loose particles. This prevents pushing debris deeper. For stubborn residue, lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and stroke the mesh edges. Never flood the opening. Rinse silicone tips under running water, squeeze gently, then air dry fully on a clean towel for 30 to 60 minutes to avoid trapped moisture. Recheck the mesh and repeat brushing if needed. Finish by ensuring every component is fully dry. Moisture is the most common cause of faults, so use silica packets or a dry area to speed drying. Once dry, reattach the silicone tips, place earbuds in the case and charge for a few minutes, then play audio to verify clarity and fit. If you hear distortion or no sound, reset the earbuds according to the manual and retry. If problems persist and moisture was present, dry the unit for up to 24 hours before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.